Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how I made this full fringe corn roll. So sit back and let's watch it together. So guys, first I made 2 lines of corn roll at the front of this hair. So the reason for this is my daughter's hair is long. If I stretch it, it will be long to her mouth, even more. So that is why I made 2 lines of corn roll. If you don't want to make 2 lines of corn roll, you can also fold it. The reason why I don't want to fold it that much, I only want to fold just the tip. Because if you fold it and you mistakenly cut the hair, that means you are cutting the hair from the middle. It will be short. So even me cutting here, parting here right now, look at how the length is long to her nose. See now, it's long to her nose. So that is why I'm going to just braid it a little, then fold only the tip. In case I mistakenly cut the hair, it will be like it's the tip I cut, right? So that is why I made 2 lines of corn roll before I started braiding it. So I would really advise you to make it like that, because you never can tell. You might just want to cut the hair, mistakenly you cut the hair somehow, it's going to be damaging. So how I did it, after I braid to this extent, I removed the hair from all the 3 parts. I used my gel to cover it, and I fold it. I held it with one. Sorry that I didn't show it, guys. My phone, I didn't know that it didn't show because my phone was giving me a problem. So I just used gel to gel it together, and I added it in one line. So I fold it. That's how I did it. So now I'm going to use pink color, just one round like this. Then I'm done, because I don't want to make it too pinky. If not, the beauty will not come out. You know, colored hair is very flashy. So if you are making colored hair inside black, you know, it shows a lot. So that is why I just use this one to make it round. So I didn't double it. This is how I did it. So that was how the beauty really came out. And while I was also using this pink, I made sure the hair did not show, so that it will look more unique, right? So I'm going to be making a tutorial on how you can braid your hair without you can use color to braid your hair without any your hair showing. All right, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so and subscribe. And also to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. To my new subscriber, God bless you all for stopping by. I appreciate you all. So guys, this is how I made it. And I just want to explain it and allow you to enjoy it. So it's very easy to follow. And what I did is, after this now, I trim it. You know, she's already packing it, like taking it off her face. So after this, I trim it and I use my lighter to burn it. I put it in the hot water, not the front or the back hair. But what I did, I put my towel inside the hot water and I use it to press the hair, the front, the middle, and before I sprayed it. All right, just see, follow my hands, see how I'm doing it, and I believe you will understand it very well. Thank you so much for your support, and please give the video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.